It seems that no matter where you're at in the home and during the home inspection process, we always run into the conversation of electrical outlets and especially GFCI outlets. And that is very true here in the kitchen inspection. As we're going through the kitchen inspection, we certainly make sure to pay special attention to the outlets and the GFCI function. So for kitchens, we want to make sure all countertop height outlets are protected by a GFCI circuit. Also, outlets that are on islands, peninsulas, and anywhere on the countertop height. A GFCI outlet does not necessarily have to have the test and reset buttons on it. If it's wired correctly in a circuit, then any outlet downstream of that GFI outlet will trip appropriately. So when you're testing GFCI outlets, make sure you're using a proper GFCI tester and using the button there and not the buttons on the device itself to determine whether or not that circuit is properly wired for GFCI protection. And that's your HouseMaster Know Before You Show.